Hi, my name's Angelina.
Hi, my name is Ethan Rose.
Hi, my name is Zena.
I knew about budgeting, universal credit, HIP, personal independence payment, careers allowance and taking out loans.
I used to know like loans, how to spend money properly, different businesses you can take money out, how to put money back into an account. That's it really.
I didn't know anything.
My biggest worries were overspending my money on driving lessons, shopping for clothes, getting my nails done, food shopping, rent money and car insurance, as well as bus payments, going overboard, overdrawn from the bank or being in debt.
Being in debt, spending too much money, that's it really.
Spending way too much money on stuff that I didn't need, and stuff that I just didn't justify, and I'm just spending too much money on Red Bulls. A lot.
I learned about budgeting and taking out loans.
I learned how to budget my money properly and save money so I don't spend all at once.
I learned that. I learned how to save my money and how to spend it wisely.
The budgeting activity.
Budgeting activity.
Budgeting activity.
I learned about budgeting and taking out loans, as well as PIP discounts, such as with personal independence payments. You get discounts on water bills and energy bills.
Like how to support your energy bill properly, how to keep your money safe, and how to make a loan.
Most helpful I learned was to how to save my money and how to budget my money.
It will help me to spend my money on things that are really important to my life. For example, budgeting. Instead of buying my food from work every day, I now bring my own sandwiches.
Yeah, it changed my life in a better way because I used to spend money all the time and now I spend money only what I need. That's it.
Changing through my life is obviously learning now learn how to spend money in a wise way, so not spending money if I don't need, and to learn to save money for my future plans.